the patterns that keep you powerless, why you keep repeating the same struggles, and how to finally break free. This isn't bad luck, it's a broken system, and you're not alone. If you've ever found yourself stuck in the same cycle year after year, working hard, barely getting ahead, dreaming of change, but watching time slip away, this is for you. You are not the problem. The problem is the system you were taught to follow. I remember waking up every Monday, thinking, how is this still my life? I followed every rule. I worked 15 plus hours a day. I skipped vacations. I was loyal. And still, I was exhausted, behind on bills, and scared of retirement. We are conditioned to stay busy, stay small, and stay safe, but safety in the wrong system equals stagnation. If this series we're going to talk about what it really takes to shift, to move from surviving to living. And it starts by identifying the patterns that are quietly stealing your time, money, and energy. I believed that struggle was noble, that burnout meant I was doing something right, until I realized that hard work in a broken system doesn't lead to success. It leads to more of the same. You deserve better. You deserve to own your time again. Start by asking, who taught me this was the only way to live? Who benefits from me staying stuck? Awareness is the first step. And the moment you open your eyes to the truth, things start to shift. Definitely did with me. What if today was the last day you allowed fear to lead your decisions? What would change? My next video, part 2, my strategic reset, what I changed and what happened next.